Using a Visa card internationally can be a convenient and secure way to make purchases and access cash while traveling abroad. To get started, make sure your Visa card does not have any foreign transaction fees or inform your bank of your travel plans so they do not flag your transactions as suspicious. First, check if your Visa card is accepted in the countries you plan to visit. Visa is widely accepted worldwide, but it is still a good idea to have a backup card or some local cash. Next, notify your bank of your travel plans, including the countries you will visit and the dates of your trip. This will help prevent any transactions from being flagged as suspicious and declined. When making a purchase, simply insert or swipe your card, select the correct language and currency, and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You may be asked to enter your PIN or sign a receipt, depending on the merchant and the type of transaction. Be aware that some merchants may offer to convert the transaction to your home currency, but this can often result in unfavorable exchange rates. To avoid unnecessary fees, use an ATM affiliated with your bank or a major network like Plus or Cirrus. Be aware that you may be charged a fee by the ATM operator as well as your bank, so try to limit the number of withdrawals you make. Keep your Visa card and receipts safe, and be mindful of your surroundings when using an ATM or making a purchase. In case of an emergency, know the phone number for your bank and the Visa Assistance Center. This information can usually be found on the back of your card or on the Visa website. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees and risks, you can use your Visa card with confidence when traveling internationally. Always keep your card and receipts safe, and be mindful of your surroundings to ensure a secure and enjoyable trip.